what is included. It says 35,000 seeds, but what are we getting? So I'm excited to show you these seeds that Oregano Republic just sent us, and I'm going to show you what is included in this premium 55-pack collection. All of the seeds come in this waterproof envelope, and it does include on the bottom of the envelope all of the seeds that are included in the bag. It comes in 55 individual bags, but I wanted to show you what you can expect for the quantity. First of all, included is a little set. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Little miniature gardening tools. All of the seeds are heirloom seeds. They're non-GMO and can be used for indoor and outdoor. On the back of each package, there's a QR code that will give you growing tips for each of them. So here's spinach. There's just so many different varieties of radish. So here we have red arrow radish and white icicle radish. Super excited to try all of the different varieties. See, I'm only used to the cherry bell and have always been curious for others. So they give you different varieties of each kind. So here you have sugar pie pumpkin and Connecticut field pumpkin. So the different varieties, I think, is what excites me the most. They have a 90% germination rate, and each envelope is sealed to last up to 2 years. Another super exciting thing, the seeds are grown here in the United States by a small family business. So I'm super excited to try these out and super excited to support a US-based company. So if you're looking for a fantastic quality US-based seed that gives you the chance to try things that you haven't tried before, I would just highly suggest trying the seeds from Oregano Republic. We are just super excited to plan out our next garden.